Well, sometimes we get a little eager. I got those trees I've moved with this backhoe and so forth. And here's our rock wall. But this tree I knocked over the other day, I just pushed it over. It was dead, and I kind of pulled it. But I just picked it up with the front end loader. I am, whoa, a little unbalanced here, but it's moving it. So we'll just kind of, I got it in 4-wheel drive. And we're just going to see if I can pull this along here. Try and pull it. And then I got to, whoa, uh-oh. Yeah, it's going to tip backwards a bit here. It's actually not very stable. It's very heavy. Trees are heavy. News at 11. Trees are heavy. This is an old cherry tree. I'm going to try and move it. Nope. Okay, so it's just slipping down the bucket. Oh, there it goes. Anyway, yeah, definitely not something you want to have under you, but yeah, I should probably cut that into pieces before moving it again. Yeah, well, maybe I could pull it with the backhoe, but these other trees are kind of in the way. Forsythia is barely trying to grow here underneath these big pine trees. There's our river. But yeah, one of the old stumps mossing over there. This big pine tree, this one here that's kind of curling out, going up. I want to get that one next. I think I could just notch it, back cut it, just go. But yeah, tree work's dangerous stuff. Got a few years of experience under the belt, like decades. But yeah, this one, that's a big boy, big tree. Boy, girl. Are trees boys or girls? Anyway, yeah, that was a tree that was further up over there at the end of that, and I pushed it over here. Just, you know, let it rot, let it turn into soil. It's kind of out of the way here. That's the way I work. Try to be all natural in my tree work. I don't kill a lot of living trees, but all the ones around the house I did, so those windstorms come, no trees falling on the house, just saying. The ones across the street I can't control though, so if winds blow from the west, we might worry a little. Anyway, yeah, a little bit of backhoe action here on a Tuesday evening. Was it the 14th of April? Actually, who knows what day it is, because one day leads into the next. But spring's a little starting, getting our little bit of green. And that's a story. Have a good day.